In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a membership in Systeme.io in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, having a streamlined membership site can play a crucial role in the success of your online business. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your Systeme.io dashboard. This is the control hub for all your activities, and getting comfortable navigating here is key to managing your business efficiently. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your login email and password. Remember to double check your credentials to avoid any unnecessary delays. Once you've logged in, simply click on the sign in button to access your account. After logging in, you're going to direct your attention to the assets section. Think of assets as your library where all valuable elements of your business are stored. Once there, click on courses. This is where you'll create and manage all of your learning materials and membership content. Here comes the exciting part. Click on Add a new course. This is the starting point for crafting your membership experience. You'll need to give your course a name. Think of a title that's engaging and informative, giving potential members a clear idea of what they'll be accessing. Following the name, you can modify your course URL to make it both memorable and unique. This can help reinforce your brand and make sharing links easier. Once you have your course titled and the URL set, it's time to add some visual flair. Click on Select Theme. The theme you choose will significantly affect how your membership site looks and feels, so select one that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and appeals to your audience. After you've picked the perfect theme, make sure to click Save to ensure your hard work isn't lost. With your initial setup complete, click on the course name you just created. This will take you to your course management page where the magic happens. Once there, head over to the Settings tab. You'll need to provide a title and description for your membership site. These elements are crucial as they provide potential members with a clear understanding of your offerings, value, and purpose. Now it's time to enrich your membership with content. Add modules and lectures within the course. Modules help you organize your content effectively, breaking it down into manageable parts. Within each module, add lectures which will serve as the exclusive content for your members. This ensures your site remains resourceful and engaging. Finally, don't forget to promote your membership. Use various marketing channels to attract potential members. Highlight the key benefits and unique offerings of your membership site to drive traffic and conversions. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to set up your membership site on Systeme.io. With your site up and running, you're all set to create an impactful online community. Thanks for watching and happy creating.